In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to find the variance for your data set. So to find the variance for your data set, you have to use the variance function. For that, you have to use equal sign, then variance sample. Then you have to drag entire data set, close the bracket, then enter. This will give you the variance for your data set. Now from the variance you can find the standard deviation for your data set. To do that, you have to use square root function, sqrt square root function. Then you have to select variance, then close the bracket. This is the standard deviation. So this way you can find the variance and standard deviation for your data set. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.